This is Ciseret orange head nose tutorial. Take a part of the gray wool and organize it. Wrapping the foam ball tightly, this will make the felting better and faster. Pulling the wool while wrapping will be tighter. Let's start poking. Poking around the sides until the wool matted tight on the foam ball. To be on the safe side, we suggest you to put on the finger cords. Now is the poking time. I will speed up the video. You can follow it or just stop. Take the orange wool and organize it. We are going to make the hat. Loosen it, shredding it into a soft and fluffy fibers. Take a part of wool and fold it inward into a triangle with 2 thumbs. Tuck the excess part into wool. Poking the connection first. Then it won't loosen again. Rotating the wool and poking it constantly, you will make a perfect tip of the hat. Zoom in the camera, you can see it clearly. Poking all sides to adjust the shape. Take the red wool, let's make the arm, wrapping around the index finger and the middle finger. Rotating the wool and keep poking. We will place the arm on the side of the body. Make another arm in the same way. Wrapping the wool around index and middle fingers. When you have finished making the arm, you can also compare the size in the paper instruction to determine whether the size is appropriate. Split the wool and wrap it as tight as you can. This is the little hand for the nose. It is easier to make wool compact by curving and folding. To be on the safe side, you'd better wear a finger cord. Rotating while poking until it pops into a small ball. take the wet wool to make gnome's legs. Just wrapping around the index finger is okay. Nearly the same method of making the arms. The most important step is to modify the edges. The cute version of gnome has short legs, so just pocket like the shoes. Poking another leg in the same way. Take out the arm and hand. We need to poking the connection first. Vertical prick deeply. And make sure all the contact areas are poked. Do it again to make another hand and arm. Now start to assemble all the parts. The head and the body. Vertical poking the contact area until the head matted tight on the body. The edge of the white bear is placed at the joint of the head and the body. Just poking it lightly. Then place the nose in the middle of the joint. Poke deeply to mat the body. Place the arm on the two sides. Shredding the orange wool. Organize and place it as the brain. They all need to be gently poking during assembling. Now assemble the legs. Keep poking the contact area until they match it. If the bear is too long, you can trim it with a scissor. Turn the bear up, pop the mesh gauze to reinforce it, and don't let it fall off. And adjust the overall shape. Take the thread through the felt with a needle. Tie a knot. Let's hang it up.
Bye bye.